Hello everyone. Let us discuss total quality management (TQM), its principles and practices, and also understand what is the meaning of total quality management. Total quality management (TQM) is an enhancement to the traditional way of doing business. It is a proven technique to guarantee survival in the world-class competition. Only by changing the actions of management will the culture and actions of an entire organizations be transformed. TQM is, for the most part, a common sense. Analyzing the three terms in the total quality management: total, quality, and management. Three terms. First term is total. It means made up of whole or involvement of all levels in the organization. Second term is quality. That means a degree of excellence a product or service provides, or it is a conformance to agreed upon requirements. And third term is being management. Management is an art or manner of handling, controlling, directing various activities in an organization so that excellence as well as the quality of the both product and services can be enhanced. Therefore, TQM is the art of managing the whole to achieve excellence. The golden rule is very simple, but it is effective. Do unto others as you would have them do unto you. It is very important principle or the golden rule one must follow. That means you have to give what you expect from others. Also, TQM is defined as both philosophy and a set of guiding principles that represent the foundation of a continuously improving organization. It is the application of quantitative methods and human resources to improve all the processes within an organization and exceeds customer needs now as well as in the future. It also means that the organization's culture is defined by and supports the constant attainment of customer satisfaction through an integrated system of tools, techniques, and training. This involves the continuous improvement of organizational processes, resulting in high quality products and services. Next is the basic concept of TQM or the basic approach of TQM. There are six basic approaches to total quality management. Those are being as illustrated in the PPT here. Those are the first one is the management commitment to TQM principles and methods and long-term quality plans for the organization. That is, management must be committed and involved, and they should provide long-term, top-to-bottom organizational support. Let us try to understand more on the first principle later. Second concept or second approach is focus on customer. That is an unwavering focus on the customer, both internally and externally. Third one is quality at all levels of the workforce. That means effective involvement and utilization of the entire workforce is required. Fourth one is continuous improvement of the production or the business process is imperative. Fifth one is treating suppliers as partners. And sixth one is establish performance measure for the process. Let us try to understand the role as well as the contribution of these six concepts or these six approach to the total quality management. The first one is management must participate in the quality program. A quality council must be established to develop a clear vision, set long-term goal, and direct the program. Quality goals are included in the business plan. An annual quality improvement program is established and involves input from entire workforce. Management participate on quality improvement teams and also act as coaches to other teams. TQM is a continual activity that must be entrenched in the culture. It is not just a one shot program. TQM must be communicated to all the people. Second concept or second approach is focus on customer. Obviously, the key to an effective TQM program is its focus on the customer. An excellent place to start is by satisfying internal customer. We must listen to the voice of the customer and emphasize design quality and defect prevention. Do it right the first time and every time. It is the important consideration for the customer satisfaction. Third approach to total quality management is effective involvement and utilization of the entire workforce. TQM is an organization-wide challenge that is not a single person responsibility, but rather it is everyone's responsibility. All personnel must be trained in TQM, statistical process control, that is SPC, and other appropriate quality improvement skills, so they can effectively participate on project teams, including internal customers and, for the matter, internal suppliers on project teams in an excellent approach. Fourth approach is continuously improve the business process, otherwise production processes. There must be a continual striving to improve all business and production processes. Quality improvement projects such as on-time delivery, order entry efficiency, billing error rate, customer satisfaction, cycle time, scrap reduction, and supplier management are good places to begin with. Technical techniques such as SPC, benchmarking, quality function deployment, ISO 9000, and designed experiments are excellent for problem solving. The fifth approach is treating suppliers as partners. One must understand that, on the average, 40% of the sales dollar is purchased product or service. Therefore, the supplier quality must be outstanding. A partnering relationship rather than an adversarial one must be developed. Both parties have as much to gain or lose based on the success or failure of the product or service. The focus should be on quality and life cycle cost rather than price. Suppliers should be few in numbers so that true partnering can occur. The sixth concept or approach to total quality management is establish performance measures for the processes. Performance measures such as uptime, percent non-conforming, absenteeism, and customer satisfaction should be determined for each functional area. These measures should be posted for everyone to see. Quantitative data are necessary to measure the continuous quality improvement activity.